Okay, here let's do number 3. Let's start with our givens. We have parallel lines and we have a corresponding part. Okay, let's put in our bubbles and write the word given next to them because those are our 2 givens. This is our first given, and then our second given. Perfect. All right, let's see, can we mark anything? Well, we can mark a side here and a side here. Ooh, look, reflexive. Ha 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 ha. So we can get line segment ZX is congruent to line segment XZ. And this is by the reflexive property. So I got another side. I need an angle, and we can do, we can get angle WXZ is congruent to angle YZX. We can get that from parallel lines if we use the alternate interior angles are congruent. Perfect. I have all my pieces. I have my angle here, and I have my side here, and I have my side here. So I can say triangle WXZ is congruent to triangle YZX by side angle side.